Hey Kevin, it's Chris. I wanted to give you a quick overview of these two platforms that you're going to have access to on the trial ID. So when you log in, the initial landing page is going to take you to Lexis Advanced. That's where all the core research takes place. And what you can see is the biggest change here is a very large search box that's going to allow you to search keyword terms, just like if you were using Google. So you can start to type in something like non-compete, for instance, and it's going to pre-populate some legal terms and phrases, and you can dive right in that way. Or what that's going to do is just cast a really wide net against all of our content. If you wanted to narrow it down with a pre-search filter, you can stack as many of these together as you wish if you want to go jurisdictionally, and then what type of results that you get, and then also by practice area, so that's helpful. In addition to that, you're going to have access to the transactional tool, and that transactional tool is the Lexis Practice Advisor. All you have to do is go to this drop down arrow next to research, dive into Practice Advisor, and here it is. This is what I think would be of most value, and when these solutions are combined, it gives you total coverage from both the legal standpoint and the transactional standpoint. And you can see they're broken down topically, so within this window you can sort of expand out and you can see all the topical areas that we have guidance and expert forms on. And I'll just show you real quick what one of these forms looks like. If you go into, say, the intellectual property section under patents, first thing you're going to get is an overview. If we have any forms, they'll be here. Practice notes will give you seminal cases and legislation that relate to patents under this particular spot. But what I want to do is show you one of our interactive forms. Dive into the form itself, and you're going to see that you can just plug in party information here. There's also head notes on the clauses, which is great. So if you see this, it's going to give you drafting notes. It'll just let you know, it'll highlight the note or the clause itself, and then give you a full drafting note on it. Also, what's nice is if you see a C on any of these, we'll actually have alternative clauses available where you can add this clause into it and take away the standard clause, just to customize everything. You can copy and paste this into Word, or you can take information that you have from a pre-existing form and put it in there, so that's pretty nice. You can download, print these, share them, email them, whatever you need to do. And again, all these topics are going to be included with forms as well, and you can do the same type of searching within Practice Advisor and add some of the pre-search filters. So I'm going to circle back with you on Wednesday after you have a couple of days to mess around with the trial ID. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and just reach out to me via email or over the phone. Also, here's how you toggle back to the research side. So really intuitive, easy to use, and I think you'll like it.